Hey, it's Ryan with Backroad Reviews, and in this review we're going to take a look at an automatic chicken door opener that opens from the top, so it goes up instead of some of the other ones that slide you got problems with. So let's take a look at what we got here. Installation hardware, instructions. Very quiet operation. I got it set to open all the way here. You can have it set to open 180 degrees or 90 degrees. And it does have locks on the bottom. So once this closes, it gets pushed down into the locks, right down in here. It does have a charge port on the side, and we're gonna plug in the charger and charge it up. Okay, so basically going through, we set the time, and then you got the mode, which you can go with the light sensor or timer. And then you can set it for daylight savings time. You can set the zone. So the zone you can see here, north, central, and south. So we're in the south. So we set the zone 3. Door opening time setting. So we have this manually set to open at 6 a.m. and close at 8 p.m. And if you do use the sunrise sunset time, you can also put in an offset. So if you want it to go in, say, 30 minutes after sunset, that gives your birds time to acknowledge it's dark and mosey on over to the coop. That can be done. If you want to open it up, a little bit before sunrise, you can do that, or a delayed time after sunrise. So that's a pretty neat feature, especially for the closing part. All right, and then the angle, you can set it to 90 degrees or 180 degrees. We got it set to 180 degrees. So now it's all set up. The unit is charged, and now we're going to go to the coop and put a hole in there, throw in some screws, and she'll be ready to go. We put the door up, and there's going to be a brace in here. We're going to have to cut this out, then might have to cut the brace as well. But should be okay. So this thing it's on a timer, and it was very easy to install. Just cut a hole in the side of the door here, and I can manually override this. See how that closes. Now it's locked in there. Put it up. So I've had this running for over a week. It's the battery's down one thing. So this has lasted way longer than I thought it would on just the battery alone. It's very smooth, and it doesn't matter if there's debris in the door. I don't have anything. This door design doesn't get jammed up like the ones that slide side to side. So the Ortis chicken tractor door is absolutely fantastic. It works really, really well. The birds have zero issues getting in and out, and protects them from the predators as it's designed to. My name is Ryan with Backroad Reviews. Thanks for watching.